Well, we're wrapping up day 2 here at the 2022 Roach Harbor Rendezvous. Another beautiful sunny day. We had seminars on the lawn. We've got our crabbing and fishing derby that continues tomorrow. Make sure you come down and get your crab pot. We've got all the gear for you to get out there and learn how to catch some crabs. We've got women in boating continuing tomorrow. I'm here with Olinda Blackburn. She's a 100-ton master captain, U.S. Coast Guard rated. Olinda does on-the-water training, and she's doing our Women in Boating seminar here at Roach Harbor tomorrow. Olinda, tell us a little bit about what that seminar includes.
So the seminar is for women who are just starting boating all the way to women who are seasoned and have been boating all their lives. We cover things from the terminology, all about your boat, from safety, the latest rules and regulations, how to safely leave the dock, the checklists that you will do before you leave your boat, how to handle your fenders properly, anything about you having fun and enjoying and feeling comfortable on your boat behind the wheel.
Well, we know that having flying fenders off the side of the boat's not acceptable.
Not
right?
acceptable.
So
never fly your fenders.
Come and see the Women in Boating seminar tomorrow and bring your questions because Olinda's happy to answer them.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. See you tomorrow.
Today we had bracket 1 of the cornhole tournament. Make sure if you've been practicing or not, get on down here because we need to take John and Andrew out in the finale on Saturday night. We had margarita happy hour tonight. In memory of Bob Osland, Nita was here today saying hello. It's just a great time. Thanks everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, another special thing about today, it's Sarah Livingston's 23rd birthday. She's right there making the margaritas today. Oh, Sarah.
I know,
Sarah.
we were just talking about that really quick.
Happy birthday. She loves the attention, not.